Hey everyone, and welcome back. Are you ready for some truly jaw-dropping news? Nokia is about to launch a phone that could completely redefine the mid-range market. We're talking about a device with specs so insane, it sounds more like a dream than a reality. If you're looking for a smartphone that's packed with power and features without draining your wallet, this is it. We've got our hands on some massive leaks about the Nokia PureView Pro 5G, and trust me, they're spicy. In today's video, we're diving deep into everything we know so far, the full specs, the price, and the launch date. So let's jump in. Display. First up, let's talk about that screen. You're looking at a huge 6.79-inch Full HD Plus OLED display. That means you can expect vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast for all your movies and games. But it gets even better. This display is rumored to have a 120 Hz refresh rate, and a crazy fast 360 Hz touch sampling rate. It means ultra-smooth scrolling, and a serious edge in your favorite mobile games. Plus, you'll get the added security of an in-display fingerprint sensor, for quick and easy unlocking. DSLR camera setup. Now, for the part that has everyone buzzing, the camera. The Nokia PureView Pro 5G is rumored to pack a quad camera setup, led by a mind-blowing 300-megapixel primary sensor. And it doesn't stop there. You might also get a 50-megapixel, 24-megapixel, and a 16-megapixel depth sensor to help you take stunning portraits. And for all you selfie lovers, the front camera is rumored to be a massive 64 megapixels, ensuring your selfies are always crisp and clear. Battery. Tired of your phone dying before lunch? Well, get ready for a game changer. The Nokia PureView Pro 5G is rumored to have a colossal 8000 mAh battery. And when you finally do need to top up, it's not going to be a long wait. The leaks suggest it will support 120-watt fast charging. Performance. Under the hood, the Nokia PureView Pro 5G is expected to be an absolute beast. It's rumored to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, the same powerhouse processor you'd find in top-tier flagship phones. This means you'll get lightning-fast performance, seamless multitasking, and a flagship-level gaming experience. And you can expect a smooth, modern experience right out of the box, as it's said to run on the latest Android 16 OS. Price and launch. So, how much is all this going to cost? The leaks hint at an expected price of around $500, which would be absolutely incredible for a phone with these kinds of specs. And, as for the launch date, rumors point to an early 2026 debut.